1111, Mr. Simon, thank you very much, man. Double salt shaker. You guys know what time it is. You take the salt on the right hand, you take the salt on the left hand. You pour that salt out, and just because it's good luck, man, then you throw it over your shoulders. And because salt tastes so good, you guys know what to do with it. You gotta... Oh, man. And then it gets in both eyes, and it stings like crazy. 1111, Mr. Simon, thank you very much for the super, not sticker, super chat, man. Thank you very much. And a good entrance to everybody coming in right when they get the notification and seeing a double salt shaker there. I know that you like that. Don't leave. Please don't leave. I'm somewhat concerned that Mr. Simon has never came in first place before. Me too, man. Simon should come in first place. What's going on? But a BMJ higher volume will lead to a shorter squeeze. SMJ, sorry. Okay, it must be somebody's name in here. We got Marky, Dunnell, Brian Carpenter, Ugan, and Toad. 11 on the Simon first. Okay, 11 on the Simon is excited that he was first. DJ Quagmire, Jazz Justice, Wrestler, Sam, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, dabbing on him. We got AMC Chapter with a peace out to the diamond-handed apes there. Marky, don't fall for the shorts. Silly price action. Don't fall for it, guys, because we're still going to close above $40 today, even though we've been trending down for a couple minutes now. I mean, look, it looks terrible when you look at the graph like that, doesn't it? But if you just zoom out, back out of here a little bit, it's we're still up on the day very nicely. Up 5% right now. I'm going to retest this $40 level, and I sure do hope that we close above it. Back here, I received a notification this time. Fatima, very nice. Lady Katie, hi Clay. Hello everyone. Hello Lady Katie. How are you doing today? Shorts concocting manufactured prices for frustrated investors and take and leave silly shorts. AMC's for kids. What's up, Clay? We are back. Tab channel, we are back, man. Max got the Diamond Bros. Boom, dabbing on those Diamond Bros out there. 11 on Mr. Simon. Cheers to you, my friend. We there yet? Victor, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there? Yes, we are there, man. We're there. We're here with AMC. We're not on the squeeze yet, but we are here. Lady Katie, what's up, girl? How's it going? You weren't here this morning, were you? You missed it. There was a fire in crypto. Not only saved my life with his huge muscles, but also my 3 cats. He's amazing. Crypto is amazing, man. Clay, M. James. What's up, man? How you doing, M. James? Lots of love for you on TMI's channel today. Oh, very nice. Thank you. Coming from who? People in the chat or TMI or what's up? Silence, Clay. There's not even a chance that you guys heard anything. How do you guys hear stuff that I don't even hear? How's this even possible? Like, what? You want to know who that was? That was Crypto Rocketeer, man. Reacting to a tweet. That's what that was. That was a tweet notification. Don't yell at me. Yell at Crypto. Don't yell at me, yell at Crypto. That was Crypto's Rocketeer. You should know better than to do that nonsense while we're streaming. Heck yeah, soldier. Heck yeah. Oh, as always, glad to be back. Need an escape with my fellow apes to distract me for a bit. Chris, you got it, man. We will distract you for sure. No, Sam. No, I wasn't. I can't believe I missed the show. I can't believe you missed the show either. You guys can't miss any of these shows. What are you doing? We're Magic. Pringleton. I think you might be Magic. Afternoon, everyone. Look at Nick F coming in all formal. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I always give you a shout out on everyone's live stream. Mr. Simon, even if I'm not there, nice, man. Thank you. Chat, TMI, everyone, bunch of chipmunk and bros for you. You get shucks. You guys are awesome. Thank you to anybody who was in TMI's chat earlier, throwing out chipmunks and the bros. I like it. AMC, BBIG. Ooh, BBIG was running a minute ago, up about 12%. I don't know what it's doing right now, but it was running a minute ago. If you guys got some BBIG and didn't see it, take a look at it. It's too bad, Lady Katie. He's so dreamy, though. Wouldn't you agree? I agree. Crypto Rocketeer is dreamy. Lucid is on fire, man. Very nice. Fatima, what's it doing right now? I did not see that earlier. Silence Crypto Rocketeer. Thank you, Pringleton. Thank you. It was Crypto Rocketeer's fault that the notification went off. 39.90 on the chart right now, bouncing back off that 39.58 level. We're going to continue to rise during power hour, and we are going to close. Ooh, we are going to close. We are going to close. Ooh, we're going to have a nice run. We're going to have a nice run. Ooh, yes. We are going to close. No, not that one. We want... Bam. 41.01. Yes. We're closing at 41.01 today. Right at the daily high. That's what I got. I got 41.01 coming in hot. I don't know about you guys. I'm calling it right now. 41.01 today. We're going to keep that on the chart right there and watch that bad boy roll higher. Click. Stop playing with the stock price. Jay's room. Stop playing with it, man. We're going to get it going. 41.01 right now. Hitting twice, 24. Hitting twice, 24. Interesting. Fatima, let's go. Twice, 24. Found the options on Webull. 11 on the assignment. Very good. How'd you find them? All you do is go click on the options, then click next. Then click buy. You know why? High volume. Stock market junkie. I didn't see the what to the question to the what, why, but okay, high volume could be doing something for you. Hey, Clay, have a great one. Off to work. Jason, man, enjoy your day. You have a good day at work, dude. Thanks for stopping by. Clay, I replied ages ago. Well, I just got that notification at 3:17. It said 3:17 is when I got the notification. Lady Katie. Okay, me too. I'll be quiet. Stay. Actually, no. That's acceptable. I don't even know what's acceptable anymore. Stay? Okay, so all that. 41.01, 40.77. Yeah, low com. We're going 41.01 today, man. That's just what I call it. That's what I call it. I want to say close at 41.23. Chris, nice, man. Hey, Professor Clay, bro. It doesn't bother me one bit that it dropped a little. It makes no difference to me because we all know this baby is gonna go way only in general, or one way only in general, and that is to the moon. Yes, it is, Raheem. We are gonna make it to the moon, man, and I just hope that you are still holding when we get there. Cut close at 39.98 weeks ago, Clay, and I'd like to point out that I never said which day it would close at that price. It's today. All right, man. You said it today, 39.98 today. Well, he's already got his wrench. So I guess if he's wrong today, we take the wrench away, right? 39.98 with a 5-cent swing. Okay. Okay. If he's wrong today, I guess that means we take the wrench away, right? Because he was going to get a wrench before if he was right. Now he loses it. Kenny wants 39. It's a matter of time. Cafe Ole. It's not going to get it today, man. He would rather see that tomorrow when options expire. Whoa. I've bonded with this wrench now, Clay. Sam, man, I believe you have. But you're the one that said let's get... You were feeling lucky today. Hello, Crypto Rocketeer. Lady Katie says hello. 40.21, bro. Lee, 40.21. Pringleton says steeper. Dude, there's no way that line goes any steeper, man. That line's as steep as possible. Like, I guess that's the steep as it gets there. My gosh, that's how you change the slope. If you guys were wondering, that's how you change the slope of a line. You just zoom in and zoom out. Zoom out, gets steeper. Zoom in, less steep. Man. So we're going for it. We're still going. 41.01, man. We're going 41.01 today. Sam, you're screwed, man. Oh, no. It's all right. Where's Pam? Pancakes! Are you out there, Mr. Simon? I don't think the DD we did last night is going to help me now. It might help you now, dude. Might help you now. We just got to see. We got to wait and see what happens. He's already tightened his nuts with that wrench. Let him keep it. It's helping feed Chip Bro with those wrenches, I guess. Tightening and loosening the nuts for Chip Bro to get out there. Rest of the month should be nice. Dude, relaxing rain sounds TV. I like it. I hope the rest of the month is nice. Steep. Okay, that's acceptable. Yeah, Pringleton, now I gotcha. Steep. Okay, that's acceptable. That was pretty steep, dude. It was pretty steep. Sam, that DD was not for today. Maybe. Yeah, that DD was for another day. That was for another day, and it's going to be okay. The last 10 minutes is when we will know, in my opinion, when it dumps hard. It always seems to be around that time. Yeah, listen, there's the last 30 minutes of the day is typically pretty volatile, but the last few minutes of the day has some extra volatility into it because you got all the day traders that are going out there and trying to close out their positions and reset for tomorrow. So the end of the day is typically more volatile than the rest of the day. I mean, if you're going to lump it into a time frame, though, it's the last 30 minutes of the day. Last 10 minutes, probably more volatile than any other time in the last 30 minutes, but last 30 minutes, volatile. Need to pass the wrench around. A lucky person can be a blue wrench for the day. We could do we could do like a lucky mod per day. I don't mind that. I would feel the type of person I am though. Let's say we did pass a lucky wrench around per day. I think I would just like have to be strict about it. And like, okay, this is a lucky wrench for the day. Like that's it. Because I would feel kind of bad taking that from somebody. You know what I mean? I would feel bad taking that from somebody. But what do I care? Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Let's just do a lucky wrench for the day. And then we'll see how it goes. And I will. I promise you, I will take it away from you. It's not like you get the lucky wrench. It's just a lucky wrench for the day. It's a blue name. I have control of it. If I could give you guys a lucky green name, I would do it. And Niniwaka, what's going on, Niniwaka? Here's the deal. Here's how you get a lucky wrench. I'm going to open the YouTube up. We're going to go in there. And then we don't have slow mode on right now. We're going to do it. And I'm taking it away. Like I'm telling you guys right now. Do not be disappointed. Do not take it personal. Do not feel bad. I am taking the blue wrench away from the person that wins it today. And you will not have it in the next stream. Okay? I'm taking it away from you. It's just the way it is. Alright? Plain and simple. Do not get mad about that. Here's the deal. Here's how you get it. I don't care what you spam the chat with. Spam the chat with something. I'm blocking your names out right here. And I'm just picking one. I'm picking one and wrenching. So, let's go. Right now. I don't care if you think it's personal or not. Just, I'm doing it. I'm blocking the names. You guys can't see my hand. My hand's right here. I'm blocking the names out. Start spamming the chat with anything you want. And I'm going to click on a random 3-dotter. And you guys got a wrench. I really don't care who it is. But I am taking it away at the end of the day. So, let's go. And then you guys got a wrench for the day. And we'll see how it happens. So, as soon as this chat starts moving here, we'll go. What are you guys doing? Literally, there's 4 people competing for a wrench out of 125? That's it? That's what we got? That's what we're rolling with? You just want, 5 people there? Okay. Now it's moving. Now it's moving. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And I got one. I have no idea who it is. I have no idea who it is. So, there you go. I don't know whose name is now blue and who's not, but stop the spam now so I don't have to turn on slow mode. And then that's it. Richard! Richard, I don't even know who you are, man. Where's Richard's name come from, dude? Richard, congratulations to you, man. Looks like you got a blue name for the day. Don't waste it, dude. Don't waste your blue name. Richard with the blue. Yes, Richard. Congratulations, man. You got a blue name for the day. And I don't see you type that often, man. So if you want to get your blue name out there for the day, get it out there. Because it will not be in the next stream. Okay? We can do this at the beginning of every stream. Okay? If you guys want to come in early, maybe the first 5-10 minutes of the stream, we'll give out a blue wrench. And then we'll just have a lucky rotating blue wrench, man. Coming in hot with a big Richard energy already. Blue. Heck yeah, Richard. Good job. Congratulations to you. Just make sure that you type now because you won the blue wrench and I don't typically see your name. Be respectful. Please do. Donnell. Yes, we are having fun in here. Stopping. Neil Wolf. Stop it. Nice. Richard's got his wrench. Wrench Richard. Oh, yes. Congratulations, Richard. You got your blue wrench for the rest of the stream. And please do not take it personal, man. We're just going to give out a blue wrench every day. It's going to be the lucky blue. And, yeah, just use that, okay? Use that as motivation to come to the live stream. We'll either do it in the first 5 to 10 minutes. You guys probably got to remind me, though. I'm not going to be able to remember it unless we start doing it, as a regular thing. But, yeah, Richard, do not listen, man. I'm telling you, don't get mad at me. But we'll do it again. So, next stream, tomorrow morning, make sure to show up first 5-10 minutes of the day, and you guys can shoot for a blue wrench there. Just play it. Little Cons, just play it. Yes, Sam's swinging in the air right now. Congrats, Richard. Welcome to the stream, Richard. Welcome to the stream, Richard. You got a blue wrench. I don't even know if Richard subscribes, man, but thank you very much. Congrats, Richard. Green name would make the wrench look better. A green name, yeah, if he's got the little icon next to the blue wrench, too. I don't know if shoot, man. I don't know. I don't want to do this to him, but I would say if he gets a green name, no, we're not even gonna start. If you get a green name, or if you get a wrench and then you grab a green name, you get to keep the wrench. I don't think we're gonna do that. That puts too much pressure on somebody to sign up or send something. Clay, he's a bot. Crypto Rocketeer. He might be a bot, man, but he won a wrench for the day. Richard. I really don't think that Richard cheated, okay? You guys could have spammed as much as you wanted. I honestly did not see a single name. I just clicked the 3 dot and then went with it. So lovely to see. Yes, it is. My neighbor let me borrow his blue wrench last week and not giving it back until he tosses a few AMC shares my way. Ultimate ransom. Nice, Johnstontown. Nice. Johnstontown's neighbor is actually his 3rd grade teacher. Gee, some channels would just give anyone a wrench, eh? In Pringleton, they will, man. They'll take it away, too, so don't be too worried about it. Claybot, what's happening, Cafe all day? Clay, Richard is your synthetic account or your backup account? Could be, man. Could be. That's why you guys never see it chat, because I'm never in here typing. 3809 close. Raise Jay's room, man. We're going 4101 close. I called it, man. I have an actual blue wrench under my sink. Enjoy it, Richard. Nice, Richard. I don't own any blue wrenches. I own a red wrench, but I don't own a blue wrench. Anyone besides you, bro. Anyone besides you. Let's see. The wrench is something I was interested in, and it was going to help me get started. Well, Dippy Dog. Tomorrow, man. Tomorrow. Show up in the first 5-10 minutes tomorrow, and you can get another one. I want to get wrenched. Neo Wolf wants to get wrenched. Well, guess what, Neo Wolf? Show up tomorrow, and you can get wrenched, my friend. She's running. Hey, guys, she's going. Listen, that ain't no guess, okay? That's what it's going to be. It's 4101. That ain't no guess. That's what it's going to be. We're going, guys. We're going. 4101 right here. I called the close. You guys think I was kidding, but I'm not. BBIG is exploding. What's it at right now? King of Clowns. I saw it was up 12% a little bit before I got on stream. What's BBIG doing? AMC is running. Yes, Jennifer, AMC is looking very good. Tomorrow's my birthday. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Somebody remind me on Twitter after the live stream, because if I do it now, like I can't message anybody. Somebody remind me on Twitter after the live stream to message my sister. I want to get these giveaways going. We need to have some like birthday giveaways or something, man. Like I want to sit here thinking, well, tomorrow's Jennifer's birthday. Jennifer's in here all the time. Like, why can't I give Jennifer a birthday present? I should be able to give her one. I don't know. Remind me to text my sister after the stream. I need to get that cricket. I need to step up production so I can start doing some serious giveaways. Clay, did you read about the guy who was going around killing people with a bow and arrow yesterday in Norway? No, dude. I did not read about that, but did they get him? I hope there's no punchline coming after this, Crypto Rocketeer, but that sounds terrible, dude. Crypto, is it messed up to think that that's kind of cool? Arrow is my favorite TV show for the longest time. Was that messed up too? Is that Jenny from the block? It's always Jenny from the block, TV Dog. Mine and my son's birthday is a couple of weeks, so I'm all in for that. It's nice. Somebody remind me on Twitter later. It's just I just want to borrow the machine in the press so I can just make a bunch of stuff and have it ready to go. Because I hate doing it. Like, I hate doing a giveaway and not having the stuff ready, and then it takes me a week to get the stuff out, and people are like, where's it at? And I'm like, well, I don't know. I'm lazy, and then it just... I'd rather have it all ready to go. No punchline, 5 dead, 2 seriously injured. Like in a park? What's going on, dude? Like, they got the guy right, though. I mean, somebody went up and just clubbed him. Jenny from the block, yes, confirmed. Jennifer says she is Jenny from the block. Clay, last comment you missed. Don't look back up, but check the DMs and blast the chat with my quote, presidential lines. Check the DMs. I can't check any DMs right now. My phone's right there. My tablet's over there. My phone's using is the camera, so I can't check any DMs right now. Is this SEC really going to do something? Is all this clickbait? Peter, I'm not going to lie, man. The SEC probably is not going to do anything, but I don't know if it's clickbait or not, man. I don't know what's going on with any investigations. He didn't see that, right? Nope, Neil Wolf. I didn't see it. I promise, I didn't see it. I don't know what I didn't see, but I didn't see it. Shallower. Steeper. Shallower. Dang, man, that's the opposite of steep. Go shallower. Never, man. Never. We're going steeper. Steeper. That's so hard to see. Let's go a little shallower so we can still see what's going on here. SEC is inquiring, not investigating. Wrestler Shoe, thank you very much. The SEC is inquiring, not investigating. It means they're asking questions, just like you. You guys are all inquisitive minds right now. Guess my work isn't worthy for a blue wrench. Chris, it's okay. Richard hasn't been using his, so I'll probably forget that Richard got a blue wrench. I'll go to take him off, and I'll just forget he's there, and we'll all forget he's there because he never uses it. AMC's got the Viagra pattern going on. Does it now? Does it? What is the Viagra pattern? I don't know. Hey, Clay made a joke too. Never. I would never make a joke. Clay, I know this is an AMC channel, but what do you think of Sundial? Jeremy, good question, man. I think Sundial, I've never attempted to sell anything like that in my entire life, but I think that Sundial is literally being outperformed by people who did not graduate from high school and are much better salesmen in the same field that Sundial is. I have no idea why Sundial cannot grow their revenue. I have no idea why they can't do it. I'm disappointed in their revenue. Now, with that being said, they do have a lot of assets and no debt. So that's good news. Fundamentally, they're solid, but they can't grow to save their lives, and I don't know why. So I don't know, man. I don't know. It's kind of like a bittersweet deal. Honestly, I would rather see them have cash in the bank than go out and buy these other companies, because if they're going to swallow up these other companies and they're not even good at running their own company, I don't see the benefit in that. And I can't say they're not good, right? They did rip all the investors out there back in February when Sundial squeezed up to $4 a share. They ripped all the investors by going out and diluting the stock and selling $1 billion worth of Sundial and dropping the price back down to $1 and sitting at 66 cents a share right now. Eventually, if the stock price goes low enough, they've got more assets than the stock is worth. So, I don't know. I just think that they could do better. Sundials are extremely dated, and no one has the time to construct a paper one and wait to figure out what time it is. Just buy a watch. Just Sam. Thank you very much for the insight on Sundials there. Yes, please tell me. Good deal, Crypto Rocketeer. Hopefully, I'm not going to say anything. Hey, kick it. What? Kidding? Who's Richard? Oh, okay. I love you. Yeah, I love you, Richard. Me too! Where is Richard, though? I didn't see him. Canadian cannabis laws are very restrictive. It's hard to make money. Sundial shorted. I do believe Sundial does have a short interest on it. I don't know what the number is, though. Yeah, Peter, that could go to it, but I don't know, man. They've just got so much going for them. I feel like they could expand. They don't have to just sell in Canada, but I feel like they could expand. I only have 11 AMC shares with an average of 37.83. With what I can earn some money, I am buying more. Joshua, with that I can earn, yeah, Joshua, so 11 shares, man. You can earn some money on that. Think about it, dude. Even if you end up with $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 post-squeeze, you're going to be doing very well, man. You're going to be very happy with the amount of shares that you have in AMC, no matter what it squeezes to. So if you can afford 11 shares, you got 11 shares, dude, goes to $1,000, you're sitting on 11 grand. Like, you're going to be very happy with that 11 grand. How do I use it? Richard. Dude, just listen, you don't have to use it, man. You don't have to block anybody. You don't have to time anybody out. You don't even have to type in the chat if you don't want to, man. It's just the extra, like the blue names are clearly really easy to see, and the green names are really easy to see. So I'm just saying, type in the chat if you want to. And I'm completely messing with you, man. If you're at work right now and you can't be active in the chat, like, no worries. I'm just glad that we can do a wrench a day giveaway. Richard, it's for making you superior to everyone who doesn't have one. Yes, that's what it is used for. Richard is superior to everybody else who doesn't have one right now. Do you think we have multiple squeezes all at once or one spot? Well, Speedy, man. Multiple squeezes, it depends how you look at it and how you frame it, man. Because if you're going to consider this a squeeze back here in June, I would say we could have multiple of these. They may have closed out a lot of shares, but their net shares that they closed out were roughly 17 million shares. They had about 100 million shares down here, 85 million shares down here, and they closed out a net 17 million, okay? Now, they may have closed much more than 17 million, but they opened some shorts back up as it started running higher. So if we get a situation like this, we would have multiple. Unfortunately, people think it's funny to sell at $69. So that's why we started to see a lot of resistance in this area in the low 70s, upper 60s. You know, we reach $69, people laugh, they sell the stock, and then it starts to fade out. If we rip higher again, but you guys don't laugh and sell at $69, we're much more likely to bounce through that level and go into uncharted territory. And from there, we could see the squeeze start. Now, the same deal happens. If the hedge funds go out and continue to short because people are willing to sell it and laugh at whatever price they're selling it at, then that's bad news for us. Could lead to multiple squeezes, but I just want one big squeeze to end all the other squeezes. Hi, I want a blue wrench. I guess I can't miss morning streams. Lady Katie wants a blue wrench. Lady Katie, you cannot miss morning streams if you want a blue wrench. No way. If you want to feel superior to everybody else, you got to make it to the morning stream. Channel need a ticker. Yes. Ibrahim. What do you mean we need a ticker? We need a ticker? Hello, Clay. How are you? Oh, darling, I'm doing so well. How are you? How are you, darling? Lady Katie, I would. If you marry crypto, you will have one also as your holy matrimony would make what is his yours. Facts, man. Facts. Hey, Clay, what actually happened to SPRT post-merger? It seems sketchy. SPRT, GREE is GREE now. What do you mean post-merger? What happened to the price of GREE? Went down? Is that what you're talking about, or what do you mean? BTW FDA advisors recommend the third booster shot. FDA advisors recommended. There you go, man. Thank you for letting us know. Click. Technically, we've had two squeezes with AMC run to 20 in January and run to 72 in June. John Choi, yes. Yes, waiting for the big one. So, yeah, if you look at it that way, yes, the price did squeeze higher. Now, that technically in June, I would consider that a short squeeze, okay? Now, the majority of that buying pressure, I would say the vast majority of that buying pressure were FOMO buyers jumping in and causing it to squeeze that high. The 17 million shares that were covered during that period, essentially that's a short squeeze, right? Shorts were covering and the price was moving higher, but the majority of that price action came from FOMO buyers. A random question, Lady Katie, are you from Texas? If so, crypto, you know what to do, my guy. Yes, you do know what to do, my guy. Clay, you got some hot-looking ladies. I'm here. I'm Jeremy. I'm glad you're here, man. I'm glad you're here. We get the best people in the world in this chat. Market combat. All investments for the pay period completed. Options earned to be an extra $350. Waiting for a good dip for more AMC. Very nice, Frank. Good deal, man. Hey, Clay, can we watch BBIG squeeze for the rest of the market today? Thanks. Well, what is BBI doing, man? I don't want to watch it for the rest of the day, but we can go see what BBIG is doing at the minute. I know it was up 12% earlier. BBIG up 22% right now. Very nice, guys. Look at this little run on BBIG at the end of the afternoon, sitting here. What do we got on the daily? Well, ooh, yeah. I don't know. Could be running into a little bit of resistance in this area, but really looking like a $9 area is where you're going to get more resistance. You could watch this bad boy run up to $9 today before you're too worried. Shoot, $2 to $12 there. That was very nice. Very nice week overall for BBIG. Bottoming out around $4.80 and then coming back all the way up to $8.48. Could be a nice little run into the end of the day for anybody holding BBIG. That's a beautiful chart right there. Bottom left to upper right, man. That is a beautiful chart if I ever saw one before. Sam, move to Texas. Crypto Rocketeer's like, yeah, should I move to Texas? Look at that. Stats. What is Dats doing? I'll look at that in 2 seconds. Dats just pushed hard. Sheesh. Oh, man, what is Dats doing? Sorry, guys. Lady Katie, never be sorry for anything. I'm from Massachusetts. People like Massachusetts, too. Hey, Clay wrote. Be real with me. Realistically, how high do you think AMC is going to go? My boss says it's only going to go up to $200 to $300 and no higher. Chris, so here's the deal. Your boss is a lot more conservative than a lot of people are. AMC has the potential to go up as high as we can hold. Now, your boss, and here's what he's basing his, I actually don't know if this is what he's basing his price target on, but the only thing you really need to worry about with AMC is when will people sell, okay? We don't have to go out and buy to push the stock price higher. The hedge funds are going to do that for us when they go to cover their positions. So the only thing that we need to worry about is how long will people hold out? If we hold to $200, $300 and everybody starts selling, yes, your boss is correct. We go to $200 or $300. But if you believe that people are going to be able to resist the temptation, remember, average portfolio size, roughly 100 to 120 shares. So $200, $300, you're looking at, 20 grand? You're looking at 20 grand in their portfolios. If you think people are going to be tempted and they take their profit at 20 grand, then that's what you got. If you think people are going to get tempted at a higher level, $500 a share, you might be going 50 grand. $1,000 a share, you're going 100 grand. Okay? Where you think the people are going to get tempted and sell their stock is how high the stock price is going to go. Joseph, man! Joseph, thank you very much. Joseph for the super. Joseph for the super sticker. Thank you very much, Joseph. I appreciate that super sticker, man. That's a good one, guys. I don't know what we're laughing at, but it is funny. Riptide Redemption came back from vacation in that's Massachusetts, right? Nice, Riptide Redemption. How was it over there? Unless you work for a hedge fund, tell your boss he's an idiot and needs to keep his show mouth out of your personal life. $100,000 floor, man. Be careful telling your boss that. Be careful telling your boss that. I'm glad you're feeling better, Jeffrey. Yes, I don't know who Jeffrey is, but I'm glad he's feeling better too. John Twinkle Plant, I'm an AMC heavy already. I'll only add more if it ever drops below 30. King of Clowns, very nice, man. Don't be afraid to buy other shares too, guys. You're still allowed to diversify your portfolios. One dislike. Which one he was salty about not being given the temporary ranch. It's got to be somebody out there, man. It's got to be somebody clicking that dislike button, selling at $100,000. Brian, very nice, man. Some $100,000 floor. I was thinking $200,000 because I was thinking $300,000. Texas, oh man. Now people like Texas, man, because you can get married verbally over there. Clay, bro, how are you? Tune dang, man. I'm doing great. How are you? WTF, my messages are not going through on TV yet. I've seen them on my mobile. Crypto Racket too. That's very weird, man. This is the first one I've seen in a minute. John Joy, same here, man. I did the same with ATER. Now I'm bag holding on these darn stocks, selling this time. Sick of bag holding. Yeah, guys, don't bag hold, man. Just take some profit. Enjoy it, for real. Is closing over 40 considered bullish? Jay, yes. Closing anything in the green is considered bullish, but 40 is going to be very nice, man. 20 grand is life-changing, then slap yourself in the face. Well, here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. 20 grand, if you're sitting there and you got, I don't know, 100 shares of AMC back when it was trading at $5 a share, you went out and you dropped $500 on AMC. That's all you can afford. You're playing heavy, right? And you go to $200 a share and you're sitting on 20 grand. Dude, 20 grand, you could easily produce yourself an extra $500 a month. I don't want to say that easy. You could conservatively make an extra $400 or $500 a month if you're actively investing in the stock market. And think about that, man. To be able to grow your portfolio at that pace, you're setting yourself up for a very successful future, if not supplementing your income by an extra $500 a month. I would say you could do a lot of good with that. And Diffy Dog, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Diffy Dog, now listen, I can't make my face into a piece of poop, but you can screenshot it and post an emoji if you want, so that's what I think when I think of Diffy Dog right there. Thank you very much, Diffy Dog. I appreciate that. Wait a minute. Something's wrong. We have 183 people and 173 likes. Come on. Smash that like button. Guys, do it for real. Say, with 20,000, I could easily produce myself a tax write-off with all those losses I could accumulate by the end of the calendar year. Nice, Sam. Nice. Now that's what I'm talking about. We got life-changing tax write-offs there. John, that's my plan with BBIG and ATER. Make my profits and get out so I can add more AMC, but that didn't go as planned. That's what we hate. Well, dude, BBIG's running right now. Are you still in it? I'm already rich in spirit. I like it, wrestler. Me too, man. You're awesome, bro. Solo Dolo. You're awesome, bro. We want generational wealth. Raheem. Generational wealth is a different idea, man. Different idea. So generational wealth typically doesn't come overnight. Okay? If it does come overnight with AMC, if we do see it, All I ask is that you guys be responsible. Generational wealth should not end with you, okay? You go out, you buy 5 Lamborghinis and 3 mansions across the United States, you may not continue to have generational wealth. You invest that money, you buy assets that are going to retain their value, okay, I can see you having generational wealth. But please, whatever you do, AMC, it just goes parabolic, and it's insane. Do not go out there and waste all your money. Meaning it's absolutely nothing down here, low con. 20,000 is a trip to Publix once a month in South Florida, low con. Well, yeah, dude, but listen, here's how you should look at that. $20,000 may not be a huge life-changing lump sum, right? But if you take that 20,000 and you end up investing that, by the time you retire, you can have 3 million, okay? Like, that is life-changing money. If you don't get it all at once, and if you do want that $20,000 to be life-changing, imagine never paying for groceries again the rest of your life. You take that $20,000 and you invest it in a, I don't know, relatively conservative yet safe income-producing ETF or high-paying dividend stock, and there you go, man. You get free groceries for the rest of your life. Like, look at it that way. What it can do for you, not necessarily the fact that it's a lesser amount than you were hoping for. Who's your favorite AMC YouTuber? I won't tell. Solo Dolo. Can I pick me, or do I have to pick somebody else? PSA, after being told how to lie on Webull, I have been approved for options. Nice, Sam. Nice, man. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. I think that Webull just doesn't want people to underestimate the risk associated with options. So if you tell them that you like risky assets and your intentions are to generate income and speculate, then they're more likely to approve you for options trading. 4023, I would love to see it hit 5,000. Oh, Michael, I would love to see it. If it hits 5,000, dude. Gosh. Dude, if it hits 5,000. I mean, honestly, though, if it hits 5,000, we've all hit the lottery, right? I mean, you will all feel like you hit the lottery if AMC goes to 5,000. Luan Money. Oh, jeez. The Great. Luan Money is your favorite AMC YouTuber? Is that what you're telling me? The one thing this AMC play has taught me since March is how to keep my emotions in check when following the line. John Choi. Excellent, man. Excellent. You can definitely use that in your future trading career. Close above 40 would also be good. Yes, a close above 40 would be very nice. If don't affect me anymore, I need to do massive run-ups, have a plan, and stick to it. John Choi, dude, you're learning to get rid of the emotions and just stick to your plan, man. That's the best thing you can do. Got to sign up early tonight. Catch the usual suspects in comments later adverse the what? Adverse? The apes in the chat tomorrow. LFG. Pringleton! Enjoy your night, man. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. I don't want free groceries. I want twin turbo, my wide body, scat pack, and cash out on a house and not have to worry about bills anymore. Also, put my kids into a private school because Florida education, low con. That's a lot of money, right? I'm just telling you, the 20,000 could still very much help you out. Click, please. Hold up, hand. I've been trading for months now. I'm kind of an expert. It's facts, though, dude. Facts. And even if you've been thinking about trading, that makes you an expert. I'm telling you. If you've made one positive trade, you're an expert. Low on Money is the GOAT. Oh, man. We got somebody who really likes Lou here. Here is my like. Thanks a million. Keep holding and slowly buying. Thank you very much, Bang. I appreciate that, John Choi. Same here, my bro. It's ridiculous. The lava lamp is mesmerizing. Michael, don't stare at it too long. You might go blind. $39.99 close. That's Crypto Rocketeers calling a $39.99 close. Sam's got $39.98. I don't think you're going to see a $39.99 close. There's no way it sits on that line. Free shipping on Clear Bro merch over $50. Divvy Dog, heck yeah. Too cold in Toronto. What's the weather in Toronto today? Love the lamp. Thank you, Michael. Appreciate that. Hopefully no BS sell-off after hours. Yeah, King of Clowns. I don't think it's going to be terrible. We haven't seen a lot of action after hours, unless you guys are talking about a different stock right now. AMC hasn't seen too much after hours. We got 4001, 4027, 4001. Man, how come nobody's calling my 4101? Nobody's going with my long shot, 4101. You guys think we're going to close conservatively here, down 4001. Oh, no. John Choi, that's where I live. Oh, my goodness. Lauren! Thank you for the super sticker. Yeah. We're going to sit back. Oh, yes. Relaxing on the beach. That's the waves. Darling, is it okay if I write your name in the sand? Because that's all I can think about right now, is writing your name in the sand and enjoying this beach. Thank you very much, Lauren. I appreciate that super sticker. Whispers a goodbye, Wrench. I'll always love you, and wipes tears. Oh, no, Sam. You got 5 minutes left, man. What's going to happen? Clay, Toronto weather is cloudy, and we are expecting rain late tonight. John, interesting, man. Ohio weather is cloudy, because Toronto's not that far from Ohio, but Ohio weather, cloudy. I have no idea if I'm expecting rain tonight or not, but it is cloudy right now. Hello, Lauren. Everybody loves to say Lauren's name. I love, like, Lauren's guy, like, just, it feels good when I say Lauren's name. I don't know why, but it feels good when I say that name. Lauren's picture isn't real. Wrestler. I'm telling you, man, it's about as real as it gets, dude. Not thinking unrealistic or being greedy. I definitely want to reinvest after the squeeze, and I get your perspective, but to me, how is that changing your life if you just wait until you're retired? Well, here's the deal, man. For someone to save, and I don't know, like, your guys' situation, it's very difficult to save $20,000. Okay, if you're living on paycheck to paycheck right now, dude, you might spend your entire life trying to save up 20 grand. If you've got a 20 grand lump sum and you put it away, then a person who never would have $3 million upon retirement all of a sudden has the ability to retire with $3 million. So, I mean, that would be life-changing in that aspect. Someone who may never be able to save that up, all of a sudden has that money. They have a decision to make, right? They can go out and get a brand new car, or they can set it aside. It might not change their life now, but it could absolutely change their life later. I've seen clickbait on Netflix. Wrestler. I don't know what we're talking about. I've seen how y'all know. What? How do we know that Lauren is real? I was just going to say that. I don't even know what Lauren was about to say, but look like Clay Bro going to dump the shares after hours. Made beats. Run Ohio, about 4 to 5 hour drive. Right over Lake Erie, man. Right over Lake Erie. Let's do it. Just gonna say Storm has just left today. Just left Texas today. That's good. Clay, what's the first thing you'll do? You know what, King of Clowns? I don't really know the first thing I'll buy after the squeeze, man. I don't really have any material desires. But, I mean, if we reach these, like, crazy numbers, dude, like, if you're thinking car, okay, I really like Mustang. I really like a Corvette for sports cars. But, I don't know, man. I would consider myself more practical. I have no problem with my Kia Forte that I got right now. I read online she's real, so she's real. Yes, she is. I would argue that $20,000 is more than the average person will ever see at one time in their bank account. Very possibly. I don't know statistics on how much people have saved. I know that people have more than a $20,000 net worth by the time they, reach certain age points. But $20,000 in the bank, man, it's nothing to sneeze at. $1,000 a share would be life-changing money. Letitia Murray, I think $1,000 a share would be life-changing money for a lot of people. Battle of 4001, are we going to get it or not? Buy a new laptop. Nick. Ripping me, dude. Should I buy a new laptop? Like, should I buy a new laptop or should I just go desktop? That's the thing. Should I just buy a hard drive and a CPU? Because I've already got all the mining equipment to actually make a decent computer. And the bad thing is, I've got like I didn't write it on here. I've got like $100 Best Buy gift card sitting right here too. So I could just go out and I could get a monitor and a hard drive and a CPU. Monitor, hard drive, and a CPU is all I need. I got all the other stuff. I got RAM. I've got graphics cards, motherboard. I got enough stuff that I could build a decent computer out of it, but haven't done it. I like Lou. Okay. Crypto Rocketeer says, I'm loading. Not sure how true it is, but I used to hear that all the time, that if you have $20 in your pocket and no debt, that you're doing better than most Americans. No, that's probably true, man. That probably is true, because if you got no debt, there's a lot of people that are in debt, automatically have a negative net worth. It's nice around here. I'm in Davie. I don't know where Davie is, but it sounds like it might be nice. I'm sure I'm real. Last I checked, anyway. You are unreal, Lauren. Lauren, I'm telling you right now, you are unreal. There's no doubt in my mind that you are unreal. I'm busy with traffic, though, but that's all of Florida. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Horse race closed. Oh, darn it. It's already 4 o'clock. I didn't see it. 40-11, 40-08. What do we got? 40. I'm showing 40-25, guys. 40, what's going on here? Where do we actually close? We have 40-25 close, sitting at 40-20 right now. That's what I'm seeing. So what you guys got too? 40-25 close. Dang, man. Well, I'm going to have to go take Sam's wrench away. Sorry about that, Sam. I don't know why you wanted to bet on yourself like that, but shoot. Lauren, we know you are real. Lauren is definitely real, and she's beautiful. Joseph, I will read that all. Like, if you guys want to spam something, spam that, because I will read it all day long. That was that. 27 pop in the last seconds to close out of my wrench taken. Yeah, dude, I went out there and I bought enough shares to get your wrench taken away. Sorry about that, Sam. It happens. Happens to the best of us. Wrestlers taking a 5-minute break. Oh, no. 5-minute break. Terrible. For sure, bro. Thank you. I'll buy that new iPhone. Dude, go Samsung. What do you buy a new iPhone for? Go Samsung, man. Locon, every time I go to Pines or Sobe to visit my boys, they always take me to Climax. Interesting. I don't know what you guys are talking about, but it sounds like something I'm interested in. It's about 5 to 7 minutes north of Pembroke Pines, John. But okay, apparently we got neighbors over here. John Locon, man. John and Locon. You guys are definitely. Did you guys become best friends? Yes, you did. John and Locon, ladies and gentlemen. Aw, aw. Listen, I didn't say it. That was Simon. That was Simon and Joseph right there. I just said that if they wanna spam something, I say choose that. Click calm down. You calm down, Lauren. Simon, come on now. You calm down. Locon, then I definitely been there. Nice, man, dude. John and Locon are definitely becoming best friends in the chat right now. This is good. I like it. We need BBIG to go to at least 13. If it squeezes to that if it squeezes to 30, that'll be a blessing, because 50,000 will go straight to AMC. Claude. Are we squeezing to 30 or 13, man? I want you to have 50 grand to throw in AMC. Where are you going, man? 30 or 13? 30 or 13? Is that what it is? Which of you wise guys is a whale? Which of you wise guys is a whale out there stopping Sam from grabbing his wrench? Yeah. Android's greater than Apple. John Choi all day. Lauren, bro. Cafe Olay, you know what it is, man. Closed at 1409 here. Gotta be talking about BBIG, right? Yeah, because I know you're not talking about AMC. AMC closed it. Okay, so that what closed at 14, man? 1409. Nothing. Prague? Nope. 2. AMC? Nope. That's 40. Oh man, I don't know. It closed at 1409. David, where do you live, man? 1409. Where would that be? 1409. What's worth like 3 times the dollar? I don't know, man. I don't even know what currency that would be. Any currency have a conversion like that? 13, I'll make 5,000. 30. Let's go 30, dude. Let's go 30. I want to see 30. Spider, I want to see 30, man. Let's go 30. I'm a whale. Mr. Simon is a self-admitted whale. I love it. Claim my plan to triple my money on CEI and pump back in AMC is going great. Crypto Rocketeer. CEI was dropping earlier today. Down 12% on the day. 8. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Crypto Rocketeer. Guys, when you guys say barcoding, okay, if you're going to tell me that a stock is barcoding and you see AMC trading sideways, if AMC is not trading like this right here, please do not tell me it's barcoding. This is barcoding. Thank you very much, Crypto Racketeer, for bringing CEI to my attention right now. This is an excellent example of barcoding, okay? It's just sitting here, bouncing back and forth between, this is 1 cent, okay? This is a 1 cent move right here, probably bouncing back and forth between the bid and the ask. This is barcoding, so please, screenshot this, Sorry if I got you on that one. Screenshot this right here, and this is what you refer to as barcoding. This is a perfect example of what it looks like. Been barcoding for 2 days. Crypto Rocketeer, man, thank you very much for bringing this up, because I was looking for a stock for a long time, never really came across one, but this Sundial's done it before. This is an excellent example of barcoding right here. So thank you, man, for bringing that to our attention. Down 12% on the day. Dang, that does suck. Above 40 AMC hedges are bleeding, Laura. Yes, they are, and we are not bleeding. 40.07 on Schwab, 40.25 here. Yeah, Jennifer, we might be able to fall back down a little bit here. I don't know what it's going to settle at, but I'm showing 40.25 at the moment. I transferred from Robinhood to Fidelity. Now I can't put limit order on 500,000 on AMC. Rejects my price saying it's too high. What a shame. PK. Yeah, dude. That is a shame. So instead you're just going to have to set some alerts and then go in there as the price reaches that $5,000 limit or wherever you wanted to set it at. So instead of setting your limit order at 5,000, you're just going to have to set some alerts and then be more active. Some brokers don't let you set stop losses that far out or take profits that far out. Don't forget to send you a screenshot forgot to send you a screenshot this morning, Crypto Rocketeer, of something. Sorry, HCMC barcodes day. AMC Trapper. HCMC probably would barcode daily. I don't really ever look at HCMC, but I would imagine that would. I don't know what the volume's like on that stock, but man, it is like a super penny stock. Bro, Spank Nanners. What's up, bro? John Choi, there actually is a decent amount, but there are like no Asian communities like you would see in New York or LA. In Toronto, is that what you're talking about? Prague was barcoding a few days ago. It was super high volume. What does that mean? The algos just get set on high speed. On super high volume, that's weird, man. You wouldn't expect it to happen on super high volume, Sam. You would expect it to happen on lower volume, but yeah, it just means that like literally nobody's making trades. It's just sitting back and forth between the bid and the ask. So it usually happens when nobody's making trades and it's just going back and forth between those. Somebody's buying it, somebody's selling it, but somebody's buying it, somebody's selling it. But there's no real action going on. Joshua, man, that's the sticks. A whole lot of people with no teeth up in Tampa. You guys are crazy, man. I've been to Tampa, and people do have teeth in Tampa. By setting a limit, does it stop them from playing with your shares? Raheem, no. So if you've got, and what do you mean by lending your shares out? Is that what you mean? They'll still lend your shares out if you got a limit on there, man. If you put a limit on there, it's not going to stop from playing with your shares. You actually have to turn share lending off if that's what you're referring to. Wrestler did ask for that. Wrestler did ask for that. I did not see it, Wrestler. Sorry what you asked for, but Lauren says you asked for it. There you go. I find a lot of barcoding goes on in penny stocks. Yes. Well, just don't ask for it. Listen. Don't ask for it. Then you won't get it. 117 million on CEI and still barcode. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. Barlow, yeah, John Choi. A lot of barcoding does go on in penny stocks, man. It just sits back and forth. And typically, it's because of, you're just hitting the spread, but, you're never really going to go and, like, CEI, I'm not going to pull it back up, CEI example, trading 1 cent. It's not like you're going to go buy it at $1.16, sell it at $1.17, buy it at $1.16, sell it at $1.17, buy it at $1.16, sell it at $1.17. If you're using a market maker like that, you're going to you're not going to be able to profit off something like that. So if you're setting your limit orders on there, like you think you're going to set a limit order on $1.16, sell it right away for $1.17, you're not going to be able to scalp it like that. Defend! Sam says defend. I didn't know. Lauren, yeah, I don't know who did it the first time, but I defend my fellow wrenches while I can. Definitely. Ortex update! Thank you, Nick, for the Ortex update. Plus 0.36%. Return shares, 717,000. Borrowed shares, 1.13 million. Borrowed change, 408,000. Estimated current short interest free float, 17.81%. Estimated current short interest, 91.07. Up about 1 million shares, guys. Man, Ortex just likes estimating that short interest is increasing, don't they? I'm going to support my investment, Candyman, at AMC this weekend. Very nice. Izamed Abu. adding to AMC's revenue there. Hello. Pancakes. Hello. Clay Mano. Yes, that's like Clay Bro. Carlos, Mil Mano. How are you? Does anyone know how to turn off your lending ability on Webull? Don't let them use your shares against you. Does anyone or does everyone? Okay, does everyone know? If you don't, there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can, if you don't know how to do it and you want to do it, you can ask for more specific examples. But if you go and you click on your, I don't even know if you want to call it your profile, or like your profile or your main page down there, like that center button, and then you go to the profit and loss, and then you look at your interest income. You can click on your interest income, and then it's going to show you your lent shares if you've got any, and then you can click on lending activity, and then you can click on to turn it on or off if you would like. There might be an easier way, but that's one of the ways to do it. Google knows. Google does know how to turn it on and off. Pam, I've been looking out for you. Raheem, everybody's looking out for Pam. Shout out from Knoxville, Tennessee. Shout out from Ohio. Zach, how you doing? Love you all. Love you too, Pancakes. I don't know how to even get a decent fill on Webull, bro, or apply for options on my own. So no, I don't know how to do that either. Sam says, no, I don't know how to do that either, man. No way. One of these days, dude, one of these days, you're going to get a fill on crypto that is so far in your favor that you're immediately going to be profitable. And then you better let us know about that. Love you more. No way, Pancakes. No way. Come on, Pancakes thinks she loves me more than I love her. No way. Clay, I think that Gary G sat in Kenny G's office all day sipping short lattes. Okay. Hence the algorithm computer went AWOL today. Kev, possible. I don't know if that happened, but I mean, that's not something that would be impossible. Wrestler, that would be me. And if you come back doing the same thing, I'll get timed out again and again and again. And fourth time, ooh, fourth time's the charm. Was that a baby squeeze? Brian, no, that wasn't a baby squeeze, man. I wish I had your depth of knowledge. I've only been doing stocks for 6 weeks now, learning a little at a time. Raheem, dude, here's the deal, man. You will learn over time, and you will build confidence over time, and you will feel more comfortable over time. 6 weeks, dude, is not a very long time at all. Please do not feel like, don't feel overwhelmed. Don't feel inadequate. It will take a lot of time. Well, today was positive, but these Fridays, we always seem to get smashed. Trey Rob, today was positive, man. We need to fight hard tomorrow. We need to keep this bad boy in the green. If we close in the green tomorrow, it's going to be nice. We're going to be closing with options at $40 in the money, and we're going to be gunning for 41. So we can look out for a positive day tomorrow. But we do know that they're going to want to try and push it down below options expirations. Pancakes! Oh my goodness, Pancakes with a pink one. Thank you very much, Pancakes. I love you more. Dang it, Pancakes. Good day for AMC today. Love Pancakes. Thank you very much, Pancakes. But I hate to go against Super Chats, but there's no way, Pancakes. I love you more. Come on, how are you gonna say that in front of all of our friends here? She's like, she drops the mic on the Super Chat there. Oh, I can't go against the Super Chat. Love you more, Pancakes. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, thank you. Guys, okay, for real, shout out to Pancakes too. Dropping bombs like that right there. If you live anywhere near her and you want a house now, you want a house post squeeze, you just want a vacation property in California, you gotta hit up Pancakes. Come on now. My goodness. I love you for free, Pam. Me too, Eric. I love her for free. I feel like I'm in love with Pam. Marky, I feel like we all are, man. Sharing gains is caring. Yes, sharing is caring. I still don't believe you. Come on, listen, I can't go against the Super Chat, but you gotta believe me. I got a flat tire on my car today. It was the hedge crooks trying to get me to sell my shares. Dr. Bodie, it very well could have been the hedge funds trying to get you to sell your shares, man. That's not impossible. That's not impossible. I think the hedge funds cut my power yesterday morning to keep me out of stream. No, Pam is mine, Raheem. No, Pam is mine. Whispers, Clay read my last message. Comments, I hype your boy. Yes, Whispers. Clay, read my last message to hype up our boy. Where's my last message? Lady Katie, look at crypto taking charge. So masculine and powerful. I love a man secure enough with his authority to keep people in line. Me too, man. That's some good masculinity right there. Crypto keeping people in line left and right. Oh, yes. Pam, don't forget we're going to a football game together. Jerry and Pam going to the football. Well, what game you guys going to? Because that does sound like something I'm interested in. We should. Oh, dang it. What did Trey Rob say? We should what? We should buy property in California? I got a flight to... Okay, saw that one. Jerry, yes, we're going. I'm kicking back. Catch you tomorrow. Matthew, man, thank you very much for hanging out with us. Make sure to kick back, relax, and enjoy the rest of your day. Checking in with a like. Howdy from North Texas. Garth, man. Garth sounds like a dude that should be living in North Texas, doesn't he? Garth, checking in from Ohio, man. Thank you for stopping by, and hopefully you enjoy the rest of the stream. Clay, bro, you need to contact Tony Denaro. He's a solid ape YouTuber. Yeah, so somebody was telling me about that, and I was watching him. He does live streams, right? I saw he was live this morning. I know who that guy is. What do I need to contact him for? Does he want to do something? Rams football game. There you go. Jerry says Rams football game. Clay, bro, have you come across Mark Cahodes and his quest to the Apes cause? Eric, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. Is Mark the guy that's done several videos, like standing outside of AMC? Is that him or is that a different one, man? I might be mistaken on that. I would say probably a little older than me, dark hair, is the guy I'm thinking of. But I could be thinking of something wrong here. Couple thousand, maybe just under 1,000, couple thousand subscribers or something like that. That's what I'm thinking, but I'm not sure if I'm thinking about the right guy. Pancake says, go Rams. Mark Cahodes is that guy. He's that guy. Well, there you go, man. That's what I'm thinking about. Woohoo! Off work. Transparency project, man. Good deal. How was your day, man? How was your day? Did you have a good day at work, or are you glad to be done? Today was a good day. AMC making some solid moves. I have a feeling that this time next year, we will be living the good life. Frodo, I honestly do have a feeling this time next year, we're going to be living the good life, man. I really do. Be right back. Don't miss me too much. Lauren, you have no idea how much I miss you every time you leave. Oh, my gosh. Quest is such a beautiful word. Quest is a beautiful word, man. Mark is a former hedge fund manager, and he is mad about what happened in January. Eric, mad about the buy button being taken away, or mad about what here? Clay, check the after hours in CEI. Crypto Rockets here. What is going on in CEI after hours, man? Anything interesting? Barcoding all day long. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed that it would continue trading sideways? Oh, man. CEI looking beautiful. Yes, Lauren. See you soon, hopefully. Be right back, too. Pancakes and Lauren must be going to have lunch together. I think that's what's going on there. A double posted mob ad. Transparency Project. Didn't see what he said. What did Transparency Project say? Woohoo. Off work. Woohoo. Oh, no, he's really happy to be off work. Woohoo. He's off work. Work definitely sucked. Got soaking wet the whole day. Oh, my gosh. LFG Mo ass. Let's do it. Pam. That's in San Francisco. What's in San Francisco? Be right back. Don't leave. Pancakes, we are not going anywhere. Straight up, I just thought there's lots of YouTubers that could rally up everyone. We all buy one stock at a specific time. If anyone can do more than one, cool, but at least one. Yeah, so, I mean, you can't coordinate buying opportunities and buying efforts, right? But, and we could use our platforms to tell you guys what we're doing. What's for dinner? David, Isabel. Good question, okay? So, I made some Mediterranean-style chicken yesterday. And it was okay. And this may be me, okay? When I cook my chicken, like I know there's no well done chicken or whatever, but I have to cook my chicken longer than typical because the chicken was definitely fully cooked yesterday. But if the texture isn't almost dried out, then dude, it makes me want to vomit when I eat it. So I didn't really eat the chicken I made last night, so I may just eat that today instead of cooking again. Boom day. Sup, Clay? Keep up the good work. Tony! there's Tony right there, man. What's going on? Is this Tony or is this fake Tony? What's up, Tony? How you doing, man? We were just talking about you. He's a hater. He spreads fun all the place. He goes, oh no, is this? That's got to be Tony, right? Tony in the house, baby. Yeah, Tony, we were just talking about you. Did somebody tell you to come in here? But I might give my ticket to him if he can't go. If I can't go. Who are you giving a ticket to, Pancakes? What's going on? For real, me. Nice. It's the one, the only Tony in the house, baby. We got Tony here. What's going on, Tony? How you doing, man? Tony, when do you usually live stream, man? I see you on in the mornings, but you get like a normal schedule? Love you, Tony. Clay's chicken out here is drier than a Popeye's biscuit. Sam, I'm telling you, man, there's like, it's a fine line for me when I go to either grilled chicken, if I'm cooking it on top of the stove, if I'm baking it. Like, dude, there's a fine line for me between good chicken and bad chicken. If it's undercooked, it makes me want to vomit. I would rather have it like a Popeye's biscuit, dude, than undercooked. Trust me, I would. If I'm throwing it on the grill, dude, I'll make the skin. I'm not even skin, but I'll make the outside of that bad boy so tough to get through, and then the inside typically is still nice if you cook it on high heat. But no, dude, I do like chicken, but I cannot stand chicken that, in my opinion, is undercooked, even though it's still, it's cooked just fine. Clay, the grill dryer. Yes. Dryer. We need Clay, the grill dryer. Nope. Dryer, man. Dryer. Put that bad boy on it. Dude, the other day, and this is probably bad. So the other day, this is just a quick story, okay? We're not going to make it long. So if I'm grilling ribs, I want to grill my ribs for at least 2 hours, and 2.5 hours is pretty good to grill some ribs. Oh my gosh, dude. I was so mad. So I forget what time I put them on. It was probably a Saturday, and then I was just doing my videos in between, and these ribs looked amazing. Amazing, okay? Like, I probably would have posted a picture on Instagram. These bad boys were just looking perfect. And I'm like, okay, I can wait a couple more minutes. Dude, I go back out there. The freaking grill's on fire. The things are just charred to a crisp. It literally, I mean, it tasted like I was just licking soot off the grill. That's what it tasted like when I was done with them. So I barely ate them, and then I ended up putting them in fried rice. And they tasted a little bit better in the fried rice. But dude, it was bad, man. They looked probably like they were gonna be the best ribs I ever grilled in my entire life. And then I walked back out there maybe 10 minutes later, and the whole grill was on fire, and they were just burning to a crisp. Just a quick story, it won't be long. It starts a super long story. Sam, if you know anything about me, here's what you need to know. If I'm actually telling you a long story, it's more likely to take about 20 minutes. Like, if I'm going to tell you anything like about a movie, about a story, about something that happened, it's going to take about 20 minutes to get through the story. Clay dry. It's hard to undercook chicken, man. It cooks fast. Steve, I'm telling you, though, and I completely agree with that, too, right? Like, it's still cooked. The chicken is still cooked. You can use a thermometer. You can cut that bad boy open like it's cooked. But there's just something about the texture when it's not cooked enough for the way that I like. Like, anybody else could eat it. They'd be completely fine with it. But, dude, I'll bite into it, and, oh, dude, it just does something to me that makes my stomach so upset. It's a sad story. Nini, I'm telling you, it was not more than a 10-minute period, okay? So I don't know if they were on fire for that full 10 minutes or if they were on fire for like 1 minute, but they looked delicious. I mean, they looked just, oh my gosh. I was really, really upset because I spent 2.5 hours cooking them too. Did you accidentally cook ribs the way you cook chicken? See, if that happened with chicken, I would be okay with that. I would be completely okay with that. But the ribs, nah, dude, that was disappointing. That was disappointing because they were looking like they'd be the best ribs that I ever had. I'm telling you guys too, if you want to cook some ribs, don't do it that way, but like cook it for 15 minutes less than I cooked it for. But a little brown sugar and some maple syrup, dude. Base that bad boy with a little barbecue brown sugar and maple syrup before you go out there. It's gonna be nice. You're gonna appreciate it. Is it okay to have chicken to be a bit pink? David, no, don't eat pink chicken, man. Come eat lunch with me. Pancakes, I want to so bad. Oh my gosh. Have you tried Nasi goreng fried rice. David, no, I have not, man. Is that a recipe or what is that? Gordon Ramsay says no color, no flavor, real talk. For the chicken, you gotta have a little pink in your chicken. Someone told me that I eat what? About what I complain about meat. Let alone Mr. Simon. Facts, dude. Facts. That's why I ate it anyway, man. That's why I ate it anyway. Where's the lamb sauce? What, on the ribs? Is that what you're talking about? Pam, have you been to Kai's in Corona? That sounds like somewhere I would like to go with Pam, if she has not been there. You have to try again. This time, sit at the grill the entire time. Nini, so I think my downfall was the fact that I was like coming in and out doing videos and stuff. Because normally, if I've got the grill going, I'm either just like sitting in the backyard or, hanging out outside anyway. Maybe coming inside for a minute, sitting down or like grabbing a drink or whatever. But it was so bad. They were going to be so nice, Nini. Oh my gosh. I really was upset when I did that too. Facts, Mr. Simon. People these days won't eat the heel of bread, and Clay won't eat chicken that has a hint of moisture. But people eat booty, says they met 20 minutes ago. Yeah, facts, dude, facts. I don't know if that's like a no-hat situation or not, but, dude, my chicken's got a hint of moisture in it. Drier. Like, I'm like Pringleton and Johan when it comes to chicken, man. They want it steeper, I want it drier. Tony, 9:30 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern time live most days unless other business calls. Thank you very much, Crypto. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, hey, go check out Tony. He's got a decent live stream, too. I've been in there a couple times. I don't know if I've ever actually typed in his live stream, but I've been in, I think, everybody's live stream that talks about AMC and talks about stocks in general. So I've been in Tony's live stream. And you guys know that we aren't live streaming all day like that. Hey, during the break, go check my boy Tony out. It's far for me, but I've been there. Very nice. That is far for you. Pancakes, would you go there with me, though? That's the question. Muskie, the owner. Muskie. Dang, this dude knows the owner of the restaurant. What's going on here? The chicken there is the best in the world. Is it dry? It's a dry chicken, man. Any problem with medium rare beef? No, listen, David, I wouldn't have a problem with that. If I'm going to be eating a steak, I'd prefer it medium over medium rare. But I don't have a problem with like pink steaks. I used to, like when I was pretty young. Like Sam's it? No, younger than Sam. I would say when I was younger, I wanted my steaks and my burgers and everything, make sure there was like no pink in them. But nah, dude, I like a pink steak. Hi, Tony, my friend. Dude, Tony's famous, man. I love it. I like dry meat as long as it's not stale. Moisture makes it feel like a wet towel. Well, listen, I do like a juicy steak. I don't mind a juicy steak at all, but I don't know what the deal with chicken is. It's a little weird. Clay, remind me that when we come over for the barbecue, that you're not on the grill. AMC Trapper, come on, man. Oh, jeez, dude, my grill skills are immaculate. It's just one time, dude. One time. I messed up one time. It'll be all right. If you see the grill on fire, here's the deal. If you guys come over for a barbecue, and I will not be like on grill duty, but inside making videos, okay? The videos will be done before the grill takes place. And then if it catches on fire, I just blow it out like roasted marshmallows or something. Howdy, friends. Thanks for giving Clip Rose some love. Heck yeah, Tony. Thanks, man. Papaya salad is my specialty. I love to cook. Papaya salad? I've never had papaya salad. What about turkey on Thanksgiving? Not gonna lie, dude. I've never cooked a turkey on Thanksgiving. You want that bad boy juicy, though. You don't want that bad boy dry. If you use A1, your steak isn't cooked right. I actually don't use any sauce with my steak. I'm back. Oh, my gosh. The day just gets better when Lauren comes back. Thank you for coming back, Lauren. Sticky rice. Obviously, sticky rice is where it's at, man. I do like sticky rice. Let's see. Many streamers, but only one Clay, bro. King of clowns. Absolutely, man. I do notice a couple people using my picture, though, even if they're not using my name. Ajma, you guys know her. She's in here all the time. She sent me a picture the other day. Some dude had a completely different name, but he was using my picture, which is weird. And then there's a lot of Clay bros that are going to tell you to hit up their WhatsApp and stuff like that. If we're all at a barbecue, why are you inside making videos? Just give a speech, you dingus. Facts, dude. Facts. Wouldn't that be hilarious if we were out, like, we were all at a barbecue, and I did make a speech, and you guys were all watching it live on YouTube instead of live in real person? Real life? Yeah, that would be pretty good. Grandpa Barney, Pancakes, Claybro, Lauren, Crypto, DD214, Trapper. This is all of us here. Nice. All right, so he's got Grandpa Barney right there in his hard hat. He's got Pancakes right there. He's got Claybro. That does look like me. Lauren is a queen. We got a Crypto Rocketeer right there with his wrench. A DD214 with the helmet. And we've got AMC Trapper. That's actually, I've never seen that emoji before, but that's a good one. Trapping something with, is it like a piece of cheese under a box? That's hilarious, man. Oh, I've always thought if your steak is cooked right, you don't need any sauce. Yes, man. But I know people, it doesn't matter how good the steak is cooked, they will just like smother it in A1, barbecue, whatever they can get their hands on, man. Nini Waka, hello to you. Yes. Nufo, how you doing, man? I will 100% boo you for dramatic effect and also have a super chat sign ready. Perfect. Yes, if you guys ever do, okay? I have no idea why you would, but if you ever do, catch me giving a speech, like in real life, please have a super chat sign ready, because I have to obey the super chat signs. 1111, heck yeah, transparency. 1111, man. Frank, I love it, Frank. Me too, man. That was a good one. I can't sell my call if I buy a call on the same day, so I'm holding 68 calls. David. Holding 68 calls, like for good, or what's the deal here? Ribs take 3.5 hours on the grill and 1 hour in the oven. You can get away with 2 hours, 2.5 hours on the grill. But 3.5 if they don't catch on fire would be excellent. Let's see, Pancakes, or it's Mr. Simon. Hello again. Yeah. I see you over there working, Simon. Come on now. Come on, DD214. That was pretty funny, wasn't it? He was giving us all our emojis. I like steak with my pumpkins. Oh yeah, that's a Thanksgiving favorite, man. Like a fall-time favorite. Steak and pumpkin. Steak and pumpkin pie. That's what you guys need to get into. AMC trading sideways right now. Let's see, CEI still barcoding. That is a beautiful barcode. I mean, guys, this really is a beautiful barcode right here. Look at that. That's a beautiful barcode if I've ever seen one before in my life. AMC, just like we anticipated, absolutely nothing after hours. Fry onions with butter and spread the broth on the steak while on the grill. Dang, dude. That sounds good, too. That does sound good. 11 on the Simon, I might have to try that, man. Actually, you can make some onion rings and then spread the broth on there. That wouldn't be bad. You can make some onion rings and then do that. That would be pretty good. You would legit not know what to do and freeze, Clay. Imagine giving a speech at a funeral talking about a loved one and bam, Mr. Simon in the back row holding up a sign with a salt shaker. I have given speeches at funerals before, and here's the deal. I guess it depends on who it was, but the sad thing is, I feel like anybody who I would be attending a funeral for would be in this live stream and would know what's going on. And like the people at the funeral, like, would be family, so they would know. They'd be like, Clay's at it again. Clay's at it again, showing people how to eat a salt shaker and how to eat a banana and how to eat a hot dog. Oh my goodness. I feel like it'd be okay. I'm eating now. See you later. Pancakes, we know you're not going anywhere. See y'all later. My baby is hungry. Javi. Sounds like you might be going to eat with Pancakes now, Javi. Calling her baby and they're both going to eat at the same time. I don't know about this one. Don't forget the grilled pineapple rings. Dude, I've never grilled pineapple rings before, but that does sound like it would be good. 1 on 11-1. Vanessa. 1 on 11-1. What does that mean? 1 on 11-1. I fell asleep one time boiling eggs. I never knew eggs can explode like bombs. Sergeant. So I never knew that eggs could explode like bombs if you're sitting there hard boiling them. But if you've ever microwaved eggs, yes, the yolk will definitely explode like a bomb inside the microwave. So if you ever microwave eggs, you gotta scramble them. You gotta scramble them before. I just thought I run the ninja. Bet I couldn't. I bet I could find more for other peeps. I'm going to start using those when talking in the chat. I like it, Frank. Do it, man. Do it. You got the ninja. Find it for the other peeps as well. Every time I see CEI, I want to scan it. Yeah, dude, all you gotta do is get your phone out and scan CEI to make sure. Dude, and it might register or something. You might find something on that barcode there. Smash the like button, please, for Clay, bro. Please do. Please smash the like button for me. We need it to happen. At that point, it would be disrespectful to not give us the old marinate and mess kit. Yes, it would. I gotta make sure I do it, man. It would be disrespectful not to. We gotta make sure we keep everybody respected. Air fry eggs at 270 for 13 to 14 minutes. Perfect. This is what I like, okay? Rosemary, you're not terribly active in the chat. But we start talking about eggs, okay? Boiling eggs, and you jump in. You know listen, you know those eggs have to be good. I do not have an air fryer, so I'm not going to be able to tell you whether they are good or not. Now, I need somebody that does have an air fryer to go out and test this tonight. I need you to air fry the eggs at 270 for 13 to 14 minutes, and they're going to be perfect. Why can we trust this? Because we know that, yes, Rosemary Fit has been in chat before. Not terribly active, but when it comes to eggs, she jumps in and shares her knowledge. So it's gotta be good. She's confident enough to jump in and tell us the perfect egg recipe. You guys know it's gotta be good. And I need somebody to test this tonight. Anybody with an air fryer out there can test this for me. Pam is the homie. Pam is the homie, man. Can't wait to buy those Teslas. Let's get them, man. How many Teslas we getting? Just got here. Is this a cooking channel? Chipman Z. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it isn't. I'm nicely tucked in bed. What's the bedtime story for tonight, Clay? Dang, man. Dang. There is this beautiful young princess. She just moved into her brand new castle. And as she was cleaning the windows, she realized that she was extremely good at cleaning because she went out to talk to the beautiful little bird that was sitting outside her window, and BAM! She smacked her head on that window, which was closed. She thought it was open, but the beautiful little princess had a very large lump on her head for the remaining of the week. But truth be told, it's alright. Because the prince still loved the beautiful little princess, and they lived happily ever after. There's your bedtime story right there, Lauren. Was it good? Was it bad? Let me know. Clay, do you have an air fryer? Scoffs at him for being below me. You don't have an air fryer? No, I don't have an air fryer, man. Sam, you got to test that, dude. 13 to 14 minutes at 270 degrees. We need it. She meant hair dryer. Dude, if she's cooking her eggs with a hair dryer, props, man. I will cook. I will go get a hair dryer and cook eggs with a hair dryer if that's what she meant. I don't know if you follow Teddy Zane, but he seems very knowledgeable. He feels the squeeze won't happen until mid next year. What do you think, Chris? It is possible that it doesn't happen until mid next year if nothing changes, okay? So I think that things could fall into place before we get there, but there's nothing to say that it has to happen before that. Thanks, Clay. I will sleep well tonight. Now, Lauren, that is the only thing that I hope for every night. That's what I hope for. I hope you do have a good night. Or so shoot, don't lose your last chance. Oh, wrestler, don't lose it now. Come on, don't lose it. Actually, Chris, I don't know. I've watched some of Teddy Zane's videos, man, but I don't know if I subscribe to his channel or not. My girlfriend told me I'm not allowed to cook anymore this week. Dang it. Don't ask your girlfriend to make some eggs in the air fryer, though. We need to know. She might not like that. If you tell her to cook eggs in the air fryer, she might be like, no, that's not how I cook my eggs. Gosh, and look, Rosemary Fit, not even chiming back in. That's just it. She comes in with like one and done, man. One and done. Got to cook the eggs in there and you're good. What's the range of the squeeze? I'm a new ape. Jack. Range of the squeeze is unlimited, man. It's unlimited. There's no like limit on how high AMC can go as it squeezes. Let's see. Still absolutely nothing after hours, but that's all right. I guarantee you CEI still. What's Prague at? Is my boy Sam rich? Probably not doing too much after. This is not doing much at all, man. I probably kind of wanted a barcode today, all day today, too. My goodness, what's going on with these stocks? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Shoot, I want to see a breakthrough this from my boy Sam right here. Sam, hopefully tomorrow's a good day for you. We're sitting right here at support, and then hopefully we got a nice Friday for it, and you make some sick money. Alright, AMC will end tomorrow under $40. There's 52,000 calls at 40 and 13,000 puts at 40. Bennick, they're going to try and let it end below $40 tomorrow. I don't know if they're going to succeed or not, but they clearly want it to. She got these little microwave mac and cheese things, right? And apparently there's a super obvious line to fill the water to, but I thought that line, but I thought it was the line at the rim and overfilled it. Long story short, I got hot boiling water all over and exploded in the microwave. Oh no. Yeah, so I don't know if you're eating the same ones that I've eaten before, but they do have some of those. I forget the brand now, but they're supposed to be higher in protein too. Is that the same one with like the fake little white powder that's supposed to keep it from boiling over? Is that like the same thing? I forget what the one that's high in protein is, but I don't know. They're not bad. I don't have any of those right now, but yeah, I know what line you're talking about. Crap! I doubled up my prog position before market open today. Just down a little bit, though, transparency. It's just down a little bit right now. You're sitting at it's $2.09 before the market opened today. Not terrible, dude. Just down a little bit. Listen, I think you're sitting right there at support, man. So you can bounce off that line. You can bounce off this support line right here. And then hopefully rip higher tomorrow and test a brand new high. Well, not brand new high, but new short-term high, man. I want to see you guys in the threes. I want to see you make some money on prog. I don't have any, but I want to see you guys make some money on prog. Sam and had her clean it up. That's where you went wrong. Chipman-Z. Yeah, that would be where you went wrong, right? Is AMC going to hit 50 soon so we can get Jay Ingram back? What? Wait, what's wrong with Newfo? Where'd Jay Ingram go? Where did Jay Ingram go? Is he not still out there? What will be the vibe of your video tonight, bro? I think everyone is relieved beyond the 40s today. It's such a psychological level. Hey, anybody got any questions or anything? You guys want to shout out in the video tonight? Like, if you got a video there, I'm being threatened. Wrestler, I know that you do not feel threatened, man. I don't worry about you feeling threatened. You're gonna be fine. If anybody does have a question or something to talk about in the video tonight, you want to shout out and we talk about it, shoot, man. I say get it out there right now. Did you know that you make brownies that have veggies and the kids won't even know? Jack, I did not know that. I've never made brownies with vegetables. Yeah, I ain't worried. Yeah, I think you're sitting fine right now. If you break down through that level, you might see a little bit of a pullback, but I don't know. So if I have magic anti-boiling powder, if I had magic anti-boiling powder, I wouldn't be grounded from the microwave. Sam. All right, man. No hat, man. No hat, dog. No hat. I'm still waiting prog to hit $50 like somebody promised me. Marquise, man. We go prog 50. I'm going to be very, very, very happy for you. And 38 is another painful target for the hedgies. Yes, it is, but we want to stay 40 or above. Tilray is a good green stock. Yeah, Tilray could be good. Sundial if I want to take a risk, but I've watched Tilray for a while, sitting at, what is it at, 16 or 17 bucks right now? Jay won't post vids till AMC hits. Newfo, why would he do that? Why is Jay Ingram not posting videos until AMC hits $50 a share? Is he upset? I am not leaving. I tricked you all. 11-11, Simon. We knew you weren't going anywhere. Well, Sammy didn't know. Sammy said bye to you. Thanks, Frank. Yes, thank you very much. We do appreciate the updates, guys. Hypothetically, is it possible that E-Trade could go bankrupt before we cash out AMC? I hope not. Hypothetically, yes, it is possible that AMC or that E-Trade goes bankrupt because of the AMC stock squeeze. But here's what you need to know. Even if E-Trade goes bankrupt, your shares are not E-Trade's assets, okay? So if you have shares in E-Trade and they go bankrupt, those aren't E-Trade's assets. They're yours. You would transfer them to a different broker. So don't be worried about E-Trade going bankrupt and you not being able to profit off your shares. because they're not E-Trades. They're yours. Hold the lines, apes. Them big guys are starting to sweat. Stuff is getting crazy. Yes, they are starting to sweat, fear of Jesus. They're starting to worry, and they're trying their best to get us to sell. That idiot Max Greenfield told you it would hit 50, didn't he? Oh, man. Max Greenfield wanted it to go to 50. New folks. Smart, man. It's getting monotonous. It's all the same stuff. The only channel I find posting new info is Keeney Grace and Thomas Jameson. Trey Robb, dude. Trey Robb. Ripping on me, man? You ripping on me in front of all my friends? Why would you do that? You gonna try to make me cry? I want to shout out for being the champion wrench of wrenchsters. Maybe Crypto Rocketeer. Maybe. I need immunity. Okay, well, you have to win the challenge. If you want immunity from, you might get voted off the island, but if you have immunity, then you're not gonna get voted off the island. But you gotta win the challenge. We're gonna get that. I'm not effing leaving. Never. Simon is never leaving. Gasps. He's not gone. What? Where did he go? Me pop 12%. Me pop 12% after hours just from a 5-second CNBC mention. Chipman Z. I don't have that. If you do have that, excellent, man. I hope you're making money. Crypto, I would give you a shout out, but half of those hammers and the deal champion of wrenches would know what an actual wrench is. Yeah, champion of wrenches would know what an actual wrench is, Crypto Rocketeer. Facts, man. YouTube. Oh gosh. Trey Robb, man, I was sweating. I was like, dang, man, this dude's ripping me in front of all my friends. Like, what am I going to do? What am I going to tell my dad? What am I going to tell my mom later when they ask me? Not leaving AMC to Pluto. Newfo. Good deal, man. A wrench can be a hammer, but a hammer cannot be a wrench. Maybe. You wouldn't want to use a wrench as a hammer, though. Trey Rock, be careful with them. I like both of them. However, I feel it's important to note that they've each said things which have been hashtag confirmed not to be true. Ooh. I said AMC was going to squeeze tomorrow. Is that confirmed or no? Me, 23andMe. Got you. Chipman Z, thank you. I did not know what me was. I mean, me, I know who me is, but I did not know what ticker me was for. It's a spanner, by the way. It is a spanner. Lauren, it is a spanner. God, just everybody picture Lauren right now, okay? She's tucked in bed. She's had her bedtime story. She's waiting to sleep. She's all comfortable. She's cozy. She's just ready to fall asleep as soon as the live stream ends. And she has to tell us, oh, by the way, it's spanner, guys. It's spanner. Yeah. All right, that tells you a lot about Lauren, doesn't it? Hi, Clay. Natalie, hello. How are you? I love Jay Ingram. What a guy. It's Cats Rule. Jay Ingram is a YouTuber. He couldn't be bothered to do videos whilst AMC was below $50 because he thought it would be boring. Been there, done that. Sammy, yeah, I know who Jay Ingram is, man. Dude's like 115 years old, but he still posts on AMC and GME, for that matter. Usually short videos, about 2 minutes long. I'm going to be completely honest. I never have any idea what he's saying in the videos. They always leave me wondering what. But he gets a decent amount of views, man. He's got a nice following. Lauren's still up. We knew she would be. If the nut is small enough, you can use the claw of the hammer as a wrench. Frodo. Yes, you could. It's got to be a really small nut, though, man. Come on, bro. I'm obviously hammering idiots with my wrench. There you go, Crypto Rocketeer. Yes. Tomorrow isn't on the calendar, Clay. This show is for entertainment, and my language arts teacher told me that stories were always told in the present, therefore you're not wrong, depending on time of view. Facts, man. Facts, dude. I love it when Sam's not wearing a hat. It's the perfect time. 115 Newfo, come on. You know that Jay Ingram's about 115 years old, man. He's got to be. But he's got some entertaining videos, man. I guarantee, like, if I brought him on a live stream, I'd be like, you guys would probably have to explain to me what he was saying when he was doing it, but I don't know. My brother really likes Jay Ingram too, so I would do it. Or as I led the bedtime story, it was far too engaging, so I couldn't sleep quite yet. It's all right, Lauren. It's all right. I don't know who that story was about, but that just came to me. Crypto, I'll give you the title if you apologize for cyber bullying me to change my name. Oh man, cyber bullied. Yeah, Jay is out there, bro. I love AMC Community. AMC Community's definitely got a little bit of everything, doesn't it, Sammy? Clay, have you watched The Creative Investor on YouTube? He gives good DD on AMC. You know what? No, I think I've only seen some of his thumbnails, but I don't think I've ever watched a video of his, Simon. I've only seen a thumbnail of his. I couldn't even tell you what he looks like. Gatsby of Houston coming in with the Rockets, the Dark Circles, paragliders. He's Happy Panda Peace Beach, Palm Tree Beaches. Sam, I give you the privileges to be Sam again. I gave you the privilege. Yes, you get. That's a better way to look at it, Crypto Rocketeer. You gave you the privilege to be Sam again, Clay. I very often like to make myself appear to be the biggest idiot in the room because it shows you who's actually smart or not. However, you make it difficult with all these questions you ask me. Oh, my bad, man. My bad. But I do like it when you're not wearing a hat. Remember that. I like it when you're not wearing a hat, dude. Oh, done. Charles Payne Boom God here. Let's see what he's talking about. Oh, man, what Charles Payne's talking right now? Who's he talking to? Let's see what he's got. Let's go, man. Who's he talking to? What's he talking about? Oh, well, thank you, Crypto. Yeah, see, who hooked you up with the privilege? AMC 45 tomorrow. Yeah, Nufo. I do think we could hit 45 tomorrow, man. We looked at this a little bit earlier today. Let's go. I think it was on a 4-hour chart, but we could look at the 1-hour chart. We got to go 4 hours. Oh, my left ear's ringing right now. So if we're going 45, here's the deal. We got this right here. A lot of resistance in this 40 area, right? But if we break 40 and we break this little area in here at 41, where we touched a couple times, then yeah, we can roll up to 45. So that's what we're looking at. Not a terrible amount of resistance to get to 45. Just this little area right in this area right in here. Upper 41s, lower 42s. And we should be pretty good for a $45 run. Let's see. I'm over here like Captain Kirk waiting for takeoff. Rocket Man, I'm waiting for takeoff too, man. AMC has 97 million borrowed shares according to Ortex. 97 million borrowed shares and 91 million short shares. Big Clay, what's up? Kalani, how you doing? Fauna the Deer, happy birthday to you again, dear. A book, not boom. Gotcha, transparency. I thought it was boom. Did it say boom before? I don't know if it said boom before, but probably did. I don't ever wear hats, bro. I love it. I spend good quality time on this gorgeous head of hair each morning, so I'm not gonna throw a hat on it. I'm sure you can relate. Yes, man. I'm not a hat guy. No hat here, man. No hat here, for real. You know that every time you write something, it had to be checked before being released. Obviously, I've never read. I just release. Every time transparency writes something, it's got to be checked. Oh, no. A beautiful day for AMC. Luca, today was amazing, man. We closed above 40. The official settled close was 40.07. I don't know, we must have had that one big tick up to 40.25 right before the close, but we had a $40.07 close for today, so it came back down and settled there where I think it was Fidelity close was, right? Eric, Clay, when do you start to take off your shirt? Better yet, what percentage would you have to raise one day for you to take off your shirt? Like the hoodie? Because, dude, if I take off the shirt, I still got a beater on underneath, so... Does that count? Like, can I do that? Just like some shoulder action? We got a little shoulder action going on. Guess what you get to do tomorrow? Sing happy birthday to me. I'm holding you to it. Mr. Normus, if tomorrow is your birthday, I would love to sing happy birthday to you, man. And you better remind me. You better remind me multiple times. Guess what you get? Okay, so that one, I guess the dips and the rips. Don't expect AMC to squeeze if we only hodl. Gotta add buying pressure. Yeah, so that's the deal, man. Buying pressure, yes, would be nice, but no selling pressure is just as important. So during the squeeze, the short shares are going to provide the buying pressure for us. Oh my gosh. Happy margin call on your birthday, Kendra. That's a good one there. Happy margin call on your birthday, Kendra. Does that sound like something you're interested in? On my way home, the Hudson's. Very nice. Okay, a moderately serious question, moderately serious answer then. Any tips on places to watch videos on options trading now that I'm approved to learn about it, since I know you don't know how to read and can't recommend books? Places other than YouTube, no, man. I don't think that you should go out there and pay for any sort of options trading styles and strategies. You can see it all, and then you can develop your own strategies. A lot of people, if you're going out there to watch like paid courses on how to do it, it's all going to be buying calls on the spy and making and selling covered calls on the or selling calls on the spy, and you're going to be able to go out there and generate weekly income doing so. That is the majority of what you're going to see on paid courses out there. But if you're just trying to learn the basics of options trading, I think you're going to be just fine watching people talk about different terms and so on YouTube for free. Clay, that does not count. However, I say if we finish tomorrow up 9% from the close today, you go topless thoughts. I assume you do it for us. Ooh, 9% tomorrow. That puts us around. Ooh, that's right at the resistance. All right, let's go 20% tomorrow, man. If we're trading around, if we're testing 50 tomorrow, we might get a little frisky. If we're testing 50 tomorrow, we can talk. 9%, no. If we're testing 50, maybe. Wrench Capital on YouTube is an options trader. There you go. Thank you very much, Transparency Project. Places may have been a bad word choice, but I meant people and free stuff on YouTube. All my disposable income got wasted in my Shiba fill, so I can't pay for knowledge. Yeah, dude, that disposable income getting filled at Shiba there. Are you up on your Shiba, though, or are you down on your Shiba right now? Transparency Project, I will post a gangsta hat pic on Twitter, maybe. I need to see it. I want to see, as anybody else out there want to see Lauren in a gangsta hat pic on Twitter, I say, Lauren, post away, Lauren. I will like it, and then everybody else will see it too, because I liked it. I guarantee I will. Crypto, why no MOAS coin yet? I have no idea. Maybe it got lost in customs somewhere. I know y'all hate dates, but been hearing good stuff for October 22nd and November 4th. Luca! Good deal, man. I hope we get it. That would be beautiful. Click. If the market opens, I want you to remain clothed, because I don't know if you have any chance. If I have any chance with Elizabeth after you do, man. You do. The chest hair will just be coming up to the neck hair here, and then it's just gonna be all bad news for everybody, man. It's gonna be all bad. You guys should be like, Clipper, I thought you said you were going shirtless at $50. I'd be like, I am shirtless right now. This is the chest hair, man. It's not wearing a fuzzy shirt. You're just used to seeing an actual shirt. Oh my gosh, 100%. Dude, think of it like this. 9%, then Monday the remaining 11% will come, but only if you agree to the 9% top stay. Pretty sure you'll get way more soup. Nah, man. I'd get, like, people would unsubscribe. They'd unsubscribe for sure. They'd be like, who's this, like, mini-looking ape father dude? Is this, like, ape son? What's going on here? Ape bro in the house? Look at all this hair. What's going on? Trapper, what's up, good? What's up, big homie? AMC Trap. Oh, yeah, AMC Trapper's in here, man. Oh, my phone battery at 10%. It's all right, Trapper. We only got 2 minutes left in the live stream anyway. You made it, dude. You made it. Excellent day. Clever, put 100 on Shiba. It can't hurt. Yeah, Trey Rob, I agree. 100 Shiba coins? Did you imagine? Is it even possible to go out and buy 100 Shiba? I know you meant $100, but is it possible to buy 100 Shiba? Beard will be chest hair, then chest hair will be somewhere hair, all connected. Yeah, it's just somewhere hair, man. Somewhere. Clay, wow, Clay, I love this sweater. Did your grandmother knit it for you? Maybe she did, man. Maybe she did. I got it from my grandma. If you can dodge a blue wrench, you can dodge a hedgie. Absolutely. Yo, what's good, Clay? What's up, Mr. Diamond Hands? Clay should do a calendar for the ladies as part of his merch. Dude, everybody would forget what day of the week it is and what time of year it is, because everybody would keep that calendar folded up in their closet and never look at it. 100, she was like 20 cents. Transparency Project, I know. It might not even be 20 cents, man. Can you even do that? $100 on Shiba? It can definitely hurt. If you get filled wrong on Weeble, peel that shirt just to see your sweater. Yeah, guys, we got to peel that shirt off just to see a sweater underneath. Any last words from Richard before the stream ends? And yeah, Richard, any last word? I completely forgot that Richard won a wrench there. Any last words from Richard before the stream ends, man? Do you want to see your name in blue possibly one last time? Spy calls 7 to trading days out. Strike through 3 above the current price. Cost around 200. This is 90% of all courses. Yes, Frank, you are correct, man. You are correct. Have a great day, everyone. Yeah, you guys know what time it is. It is 5 o'clock, guys. Time to get off here. One last look at CEI for the laughs. Let's do it, man. You guys want to see what a barcode looks like? And that is a barcode, my friends. Nice and flat trading all afternoon long. CEI, very good on the barcoding. Have a great night. Keith, have a great night as well. Carlos, I'll see you later, man. Mr. Diamond Hands, get you guys' names in the chat right now. Richard, if you're still in here, let's see that name blue one last time. Frank, a little man, how you doing? Mr. Diamond Hands, Carlos, Transparency Project, Kalani, King of Clowns, 1111 Mr. Simon, Trey, Rob, Transparency, Kalani, 1111 Mr. Simon. Shout out to all you guys. Lauren, I want to specifically say that I hope you have a wonderful night, darling. Enjoy it, sleep well. And don't go to any raves tonight. Julie Miller, bye-bye to you. Kelly Parley, not Kelly Parlay. It's Kelly Parley. Transparency Projects looks at nothing but barcodes. Crazy, man. JB, see you later. Nufo, Crypto Rocketeer, boom, dabbing on him like always. See, it looks like the back of a library book. It does, Sam. See you later. Have a good night. Gullah Gullah Island, man. Ciao, bud. Tony, ciao to you as well. Diamond Hands, peace out. Transparency Project, good night, Lauren. Luca, another thing, there's another new crypto coin. If anyone wants to take a stab at it, it's called what? Mini ski shoe? What? I heard some people are already 5xing their money, but it's only been out for 2 to 3 weeks. Luca, thank you very much for letting us know on that, man. 11 on Simon, see you later. Christopher Bates, Fauna, happy birthday to you. Yo, Carl, see you later. Steve Spencer, Claybro later, see you later. Steve Spencer, Sam, Crypto Rocketeer, Mr. Enormous, happy birthday to you tomorrow, man. Make sure to remind me. Transparency, Sinister. All right, guys. All right, keep the chat on. Maybe I will. You guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.